Hello everybody! This is Kitty and the Beast channel and my name is Nika. Today I'm going to show you how to make a closed wooden chest with metal elements of polymer clay. Why closed? Because it keeps a mystery. You can find anything, or even nothing, in it, and it also makes it universal to use in games and miniature scenes. As you can see, I start with the base color of polymer clay, which is brown this time. First of all, I make kind of a brick and place it on a piece of a baking paper. I round the corners on the top to emulate the classic cover. Then I mark the chink between the cover and the chest itself. And make a thinner and deeper line with another tool. Then I roll a quite thin stick and make hinges by cutting off two short pieces and placing them on a chink I've just made. After that, I make an even thinner stick of the same polymer clay and make metal bands on a cover by placing two pieces of it on both sides of the top. I'll make it look like metal later. I will show you the technique for that. And here's where I make the rings for the lock. I wanted them to be rounded, and that is why I used the tool with a small ball on the tip of it to gain a proper shape. I attached two similar parts on the opposite side of the chink, one above the other. Then I start to mark the wood texture. First I mark the planks on the cover and try to imitate the lines like a plank would have. Then I do the same on the sides of the chest. Now is the time for some other metal elements. These will be made of yellow polymer clay mixed with some brown. I roll it and cut some short pieces, place them on the corners of the boards like metal clamps that are meant to keep them together. I've made 2 of those on each corner and pressed them, making dents on each side. And here is how I'm making a lock. It will be pretty simple. First a ball under 2 loops I've made before. I shape it and form a keyhole. Another piece of the same polymer clay is being used to make a shackle. After I'm satisfied with all the details, I want to add a metal shine to some parts. Let's start with a golden pastel for clamps and the lock. And finish with a silver pastel for the bands on the cover. I use my finest brush for the best precision. some finishing touches, and our mystery chest is ready. Thank you for watching, and I hope you didn't forget to give me a thumbs up. You should also subscribe if you want to see all my new videos. It also would be inspiring to get your financial support on my Patreon account. Please see the link in the description. I will be able to spend more time making tutorials like this more often, and of course I will mention you in my next videos. See you soon and stay inspired!